Have you ever felt stuck between two choices? Overthinking every detail, fearing that you might make a wrong move? Well, here's a secret to never doubting yourself again. You are not alone. In fact, the smarter you are, the harder decision making can feel. But why? And most importantly, how do you break free? Stay with me till the end because today I will share three powerful shifts with you that will help you to trust yourself, decide faster, and move forward with confidence. The truth is that ambitious and intelligent women often face decision paralysis because of three big reasons. Number one, you see too many possibilities. Smart women analyze every angle, every risk, and every what if before taking any decision. But you need to understand that too many options is equals to too much overthinking. Number two, you fear of making a wrong move. You have worked so hard to reach where you are today, and one wrong step makes you feel like it could derail everything. Reason number three, you have been conditioned to always seek the right answer. School, society, family teaches that there is right and wrong choice. But in real life, decisions are rarely black and white. Don't you agree? But here's the truth that successful women don't make the perfect decisions. They take decisions fast and then commit to making them work for themselves. So, there is this three-step formula for confident decision making which has always helped me to take the right decision no matter what. Step number one, stop searching for the perfect choice. Whenever you are about to make a decision or make a choice, instead of asking yourself, what if I make a wrong move? Ask yourself these two questions. Question number one, which is that option out of these two which is aligning with my future self? Question number two, out of these two things, which is that path which is going to help me to grow the most? So, for example, if you want to decide whether I should start with this business right now or when I'm 100% ready, if growth is your goal, taking action, even imperfectly, is the right choice. Step number two, give yourself hard deadline. Smart women tend to overthink. So if the decision is not very important, take just 60 seconds to decide. And if it is still important, give yourself just 1 hour to decide. And if it is a life-changing decision, not more than 7 days should be given to yourself to decide on that. And if it is important but not a life-changing decision, 24 hours is the maximum duration. You should think about it and decide. Believe me, even if you take the wrong decision, it is never going to be the wrong one. Because sometimes you are supposed to learn, sometimes you are supposed to grow from mistakes. And if you do not make mistakes, you are not going to grow. You are not going to understand what is that right choice for you. Only sometimes making after wrong choices, you understand what is good for you, what is the right choice for you, what is the right decision for you. Step number three, you need to believe in yourself that no matter what the outcome is going to be, I will be able to handle that. The number one fear behind that indecision, behind you taking that so long to take that decision, is your thinking that what if I fail? No matter what happens, even if decision goes wrong for you, you can pivot, you can adapt, you can make it work for you. Now, here's this thing that I learned during one of my transformative years, that when you take a decision for yourself and own the results, you have this power in you. You own this power of yourself. You raise your vibrations because you believe that things are going to work in your favor. And even if they are not going to work in your favor, you are owning the results. You are owning the outcome. You are owning the confidence that you can handle it. So when you do that, you are also raising your vibes. You are raising the energetic power of your solar plexus. And in that way, you are increasing, you are working on your confidence, you are working on your ability to handle any kind of situation in your life. I remember for myself, I always used to get stuck in analysis paralysis. I used to take so much time in taking any kind of decision. until I realized that women I admired, the successful women I admired, have also made those wrong turns. They have also made those messy moves and they have taken the bold choices for them. But they kept deciding, they kept moving forward. And that's what changed everything for them. And that is how I was able to move forward. Now it's your turn. I want you to pick one decision you have been stuck on, big or small. Commit to making a choice today. And if you are tired of second guessing yourself, join my free community of visionary impactpreneur queens, where I empower women like you to trust themselves like never before. And if you liked this video, subscribe for more insights every week. Let's build unshakable confidence together.